Alright, so as we're prepping the 37A John Deere Snowblower that goes on the 214, we're going to get this thing ready for the winter. I'm going to show you how to adjust the shoes on the side of the snowblower attachment. So the first thing we're going to do is to get myself a 1/2-inch wrench or socket. Alright, so from the side here, what I'm going to do, I have these newly beefed up skids or shoes right here. And what I'm doing is I'm going to loosen them up. This is just a 1/2-inch socket here. Yep. And we're just going to loosen this up. Oop, that one came all the way out. We don't want that. Okay, so that's what we want. We want that to be loose. We'll do the same thing on the other side. This one's got the belt cover, so it's a little bit harder to see. So now with those two skid shoes loose, let's go back around in the front. What we need to do is to determine how far off the ground we want this bar right here. I, for one, clear mostly driveways that are concrete, and I got, I think, maybe two that are actually gravel, but they're really fine gravel, kind of a quarry wash gravel. So I only need my skid plate there. I usually go about 1/4 inch, and I'll show you what I use for that. So sometimes I use paint mixing sticks. You can stack them up a little bit if you got some scrap wood. Make sure you got something that's the same thickness. Right here I have some extensions for a 1/4 inch drive set, and this is only a 1/4 inch right here. So what I'd like to do is to kind of space them out like so. And then I'm going to lower the snowblower down on top of those things. Let me make sure they're going to line up. Alright, so now with the snowblower resting on those 3 pieces of metal on a flat piece of concrete, knowing that it's the same distance all the way across from one end to the other, come around on the side here and take a look at the shoe. The shoe now was able to sit flat on the concrete here, okay, and the same on the other side. So now all we have to do is tighten those up, and we should be golden. Alright, we're going to start this thing up, raise that snowblower up, and then put it back down to make sure that we are still where we want to be. Let's get you off the tripod here. If we get down here, oops, sorry, you'll see that there's a gap. Looks like there's even more of a gap than I wanted, but it's even, and if we wanted a different kind of gap, like you said, we could use some wood, paint mixing sticks, or scrap wood, as long as everything is the same thickness, so that you got a good uniform cut across the bottom edge. But that's how you go ahead and you adjust the scraper bar positioning on this 37A snowblower. Alright, hope I helped you out. Happy winter. Thanks for watching.